Hi everyone, in this video we are going to start this new topic of material costing, that is FIFO method of inventory valuation. So now what is this FIFO? First in first out method of inventory valuation. That is what is FIFO method. Yes, so now what happens in FIFO method? In FIFO method, whatever comes in first into our warehouse, into our store, it has to go out first from our warehouse. Now where it will go? If it's a factory, it will go to the production process, or if it's a normal retail business, then it will go to showroom to be sold. Yes, but here we are discussing about the factory. See, it's very simple. When you purchase raw materials from your supplier, then he will deliver it, they will deliver it to your warehouse. And then as and when the production department or your retail showroom, if it is in need of the raw materials, the inventory, then it will request your store, and your store will issue or send the raw material to the production department or the inventory to the showroom. Yes, that's what happened normally in the business. So now here, what we do in FIFO method is whatever that has come first into the warehouse, in that order only it will go out first. Simple as that. That is what is FIFO. First in, first out. See, it's very simple. Let's say, for example, on 1st January, your warehouse received 20 quantity at the price 7. Okay, and then on 2nd January, let's say it received 30 quantity at the price 8, and on 3rd January it received 40 quantity of raw material at price 6, right? So now let's say the production department requested that it is in need of 50 quantity, and it made a request to the store department. Okay, so now how the store department will release those 50 quantity? It will release in a particular order because they are following FIFO method. Let's say in this example they are doing that, they are following FIFO method. So in FIFO method, what happens? Whatever comes in first, it has to go out first. So what came in first? 20 quantity at the price 7 came first on 1st January. So they need 50. Yes, they need 50. So first you will pick this 20 at the price 7. 20 quantity at the price 7, and then you will pick, and then you need 30 more, right? So you will pick 30 at the price 8. Okay, right? So in this order, first in first out order, right, in this order you will pick this and you will send it out to the production department. This is what is FIFO. So now you will be wondering how the valuation is coming here. See here, we are not just taking the quantities in that order, the price also. So that is what the valuation is. That is how the inventory will be valued. First in, first out. Whatever we purchase first from the supplier, in that order we are sending them out to the production department. So that is how we are doing the valuation through the FIFO method. Okay, and then there is LIFO also, that is exactly opposite. We'll see that later in another video. So this is what is FIFO method. It is a method of pricing the issue of materials in the order in which they are purchased, right? You purchase them. See here, on 1st January you purchase 20 quantity, on 2nd January you purchase 30, on 3rd January you purchase 40, and at these prices. So now how they will be released to the production department? In the order they were purchased. Okay, you see this is what is first in first out method of inventory valuation. Whatever items of inventory are received first are assumed to be sold first or issued to the production department first. Okay, this is what is FIFO method. Now let's solve a problem on this and you will understand what is this FIFO method. Okay, whatever comes in first, it has to go out first. It's very simple, right? And the LIFO is exactly opposite to that. Okay, we'll see that in another video. Now let's go to the problem of FIFO. Now here we have the problem. See here, from the following information, prepare store's ledger account under FIFO method, right? So now what is this store ledger? Store ledger is an account that is prepared by the warehouse to keep the track of materials. How much material has come into the warehouse and how much material has gone out of the warehouse, and how much material do they have right now in the warehouse. Okay, to keep track of the materials, that store's ledger account is prepared. And in all the problems, what are we going to do? We are going to prepare that store's ledger only. Okay, it is prepared under different methods. Okay, now here we are discussing about FIFO method, so we are preparing store's ledger under FIFO method, first in first out method. See the question here, it's very simple. Now first they have said on January 1st 2019 we have got 500 units from our supplier, right? We have received 500 units at rupees 20 per unit. Now here you have to think from the point of view of the warehouse. Okay, what has come into the warehouse, what has gone out of the warehouse. Understood? Yes. So first you have to understand the format of store's ledger. See, the format is very simple. You have got date column, receipt column, issues column, and balance column. Receipts means what has come, issues mean what has gone out, and then balance mean whatever that is there in the warehouse, right? And then in these three columns, receipts, issues, and balance, there are three more sub columns: quantity, price,